We are moving on to lesson 1.3, and my I can statement is I can identify prime, square, even, and odd. Okay, I'm using properties that are even, odd, prime, and square. And I'm thinking about the relationships, guys, that are factors and multiples to solve problems. Now, here's another thing we're also working on. We're identifying and learning multiplication facts not yet fluently known, Cody. We're still working on math multiplication facts not yet fluently known. Okay. All right, so we're back to, this is a math workshop. We just learned all of this stuff in lesson 1.1, lesson 1.2, but now I'm on 1.3, okay? So you've been taught how to do it, so we're practicing it, but we are taking the mathematics a little bit higher. So you have been provided a 300 chart, okay? So you'll need to use the 300 chart to count on it. It's gonna help you. Remember when we started over here doing this, okay, listing my multiples? Well, it'd be kind of cruel of me to ask you to count to 300, wouldn't it? Mm-hmm. But, right. So I provided you a chart to use. So that's a resource tool. So now let's see if we can solve this puzzle. This is, I've already done the teach it. Now we're at the practice it. Then you're going to do the evidence by continuing on with number puzzles. Okay? You ready? All right. Now, clue 1. This sample puzzle, this number is a multiple of 15. It's a multiple of 15. Okay? So I'm counting by what, everybody?
15, I mean.
Thank you. 15, yeah. Listen, let's burn this in our brain, okay? A multiple. So multiples are times a number and you keep on going. But this is my favorite rule. I like number 1. Multiples of a number are what you say when you count by that number. That's my favorite rule. A multiple. If I'm saying 2, I count by 2s. If I say 3, I'm counting by what?
3.
If I say 4, I'm counting by what?
4.
When I say 5, I'm counting by what?
5.
So if I say multiple, it's the number, whatever number it is, that you're counting by, that number. That's a multiple. So the good news is that you can keep watching the videos. There's also, remember, math vocabulary videos. So if I forget what multiples are, go back to your previous lessons. All right, so it's this number is a multiple of 15. I'm counting by what, class?
15.
Thank you. Okay, now, number 2. All right, this number is greater than 50. So is it larger than 50?
Yes.
Or is it smaller?
Larger.
Glory. Okay, number 3. This number is odd. So what is it not, I mean, it's what, so Bethany, you said what happens with that group?
It's gonna have one left over.
That's right, it can never be even. It's always gonna have one all by itself, okay? Mackenzie, you already know the answer?
No, it's gonna end with it's either gonna end with a 1, a 3, a 5, a 7, or a 9.
You got it. Okay, so would you even be looking at those numbers on the 300 chart? Don't waste your time, right? Well, no, those are the ones you want to look at. Excuse me, I got it.
look at the even ones.
Right, I got it flipped. Okay, last. This number is less than 100.
Okay.
So let's figure it out. Now, you're going to start, you already know it? What is it?
75.